What's up guys, it's Matt here. As many of you guys know, I'm relatively newer to the credit card game, having just gotten my first card a little over a year ago. At age 22, I currently hold 4 cards in my wallet, each with no annual fees. Those include the Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Freedom Flex, Built MasterCard, and a USAA one through my bank. I do have a breakdown video of each of those cards and how I use them in my own personal setup. I'll have that video linked in the description below. But today, I'm going to be sharing with you my 2024 roadmap for my credit card journey. Before we begin, if you guys don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, it really goes a long way in helping me grow the channel. Without further ado, let's jump right into things with the next card I plan on getting, which is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. In my opinion, the Chase Sapphire Preferred might be the best travel card out there that does not have a very high annual fee. Its annual fee is just $95, but there's tons of value packed into it. I plan on getting this card around June 2024, and the reason I'm waiting so long to get my next credit card is because I am currently a graduate student, and I'll wrap up my master's degree in June and graduate and go and work in my job. But before then, I just don't want to take on any cards with extra fees that I don't really need and I wouldn't get much value out of. I'm not in any rush to get an annual fee on a credit card right now. Being a graduate student, my income is essentially non-existent, so I'm trying to keep my spending to a minimum. So just avoiding a little extra fee is just something I choose to do. Additionally, I know if I got the card right now, I would not be able to hit the sign-up bonus where you have to spend $4,000 in 3 months. So I want to make sure that when I do get the credit card, I will be able to hit that to earn the extra bonus on top of the card. Primary reason I want to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred is because I've been accumulating a fair amount of Chase points with both my Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited, and the reason that the Chase Sapphire Preferred fits me is because with the card you can get 25% additional value on all of your points when redeemed for travel. That means I'll be able to take every single Chase point I've earned, put it with my Chase Sapphire Preferred with all the sign-up bonuses and everything, and then I'll be able to use that for travel and take a nice trip. I'll have a few $100s worth of value with my points, so just getting that extra 25% value for a pretty low annual fee will allow me to really maximize my travel. Additionally, with the card, I can get 3 times points on my online grocery orders, and I'm someone that loves to do my shopping weekly, so with that, I'll be able to get even more Chase points than I'm already getting with my other cards. The second card I plan on getting in 2024 would be the Discover It Cashback card. This card has no annual fee and works very similarly to the Chase Freedom Flex, having quarterly rotating categories to earn 5% cash back. The reason I want to get this card is in hopes that there is not much overlap with my Freedom Flex and the Discover card with those rotating categories. I hope that one quarter I can get gasoline for 5% cash back on my Chase card, and then maybe the next quarter, if I'm lucky, get 5% back with my Discover card. Additionally, I hope that the sign-up bonus stays for when I apply for this card, as Discover will match all the cash back you earn in your first year of holding it. This means that it's effectively a 10% cashback card for the entire first year, which is just absurd. Also, a lot of the categories that they rotate through include gas stations, wholesale clubs, groceries, dining, whatever it may be, and those typically fit where I spend my money the most. So you might be asking, why don't I just get this card right now? It has no annual fee. Well, the reason why is because I do not want to hit the Chase 524 rule, because I will have to wait an additional year before applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The Chase 524 rule basically means that you cannot get 5 credit cards in the past 2 years while being able to get another Chase credit card. As for the specific timing of when I do go to apply for this card, it will probably be somewhere in the August or September range. I feel like that will just give me the most value out of it while being able to also hit the sign-up bonus for my Chase Sapphire Preferred and then be able to spend in full with the most cash back on the Discover card. Moving on to the third card I plan on getting next year or towards 2025 will be the Amex Gold card. This is a very reputable card with an annual fee of $250. However, with it, you are guaranteed 4 times points back on your groceries and 4 times points back on your dining, as well as 3 times points back on your flights. Amex has also wiped away that annual fee with a lot of statement credits that I definitely would take advantage of. Some of them when filming are currently the $120 dining credit and $120 Uber Cash credit. I am someone that likes to pay more for my groceries and cook myself than go out to eat, so finding a card that gives me a lot of cash back on groceries and not just dining is kind of hard to do because more cards are focused on that dining element. So if I'm able to get 4x points on my groceries and on my dining, it's just a win-win for my situation. I do plan on getting this card probably late 2024 in the December time range, and if not then, early 2025 in that January, February. This way I can make sure I hit the sign-up bonus and take advantage of having money that I can use for my annual fee card. Looking a bit further into the distant future, talking 2025 now, the fourth card I plan on getting is the American Express Platinum card. The annual fee of $695 currently, the Amex Platinum is one of the most top-tier credit cards for travel out there. With that annual fee, there's over $1,500 worth of benefits and statements loaded into this card. The key ones I would like to take advantage of are the $200 hotel credit, $200 airline credit, $155 Walmart Plus credit, $240 digital entertainment credit, and $200 Uber Cash credit. I'm hoping that in 2025, I will be in a position where I'll be able to travel much more than I am now living that college student lifestyle. And at that point, I think that the annual fee will be much more worth it, as I should be able to travel and take advantage of the 140 countries with Amex Centurion lounges. Not a big fan of the spending categories for the Amex Platinum being just 5 times points for travel specific things and 1 times points elsewhere. But with the statement credits, it's hard to look past this card. Additionally, I will have so many other cards in my lineup that will be able to cover me in every other category I spend in. Although it is in the distant future, depending on how things go with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the upper tier Chase card, and the Capital One Venture X, the luxury travel card for Capital One, I might go with one of those cards instead, but if I had to pick today, I would probably go with the Platinum. This brings me to the 5th card I plan on getting in the future, which is the Citi Custom Cash Credit Card, and that has $0 annual fee. I personally think that this might be the best flex and utility credit card on the market, allowing you to earn 5% cash back on your highest spend category every single month and 1% cash back elsewhere. The way that I plan on using the card when I get it would be as a designated card for maybe gas or wholesale clubs, depending on how my quarterly cards match up. If I'm able to earn guaranteed 5% cash back at a specific place each month, I would solely use this card for that purchase and nothing else. Essentially, I just want this card to cover me in one of the categories where my other cards do not hit the highest cash back in. I tentatively would like to get this card either in 2024 later or 2025. Once again, I would like to get it now, but I'm holding off the Chase Sapphire Preferred to avoid the 524 rule. No annual fees. I think that this is a great card to add to my lineup, and it will just give me a lot of cash back when I can't earn it with my other credit cards. Between the credit cards that I currently have and the ones that I hope to have in the future, I think that I'm going to cover my own spending categories very well, whether it's at groceries, dining, gas, warehouse clubs, whatever it may be. I think that my plan fits very well for my needs. I also like it because it wouldn't give me an absurd amount of annual fees, and I don't personally view it as a very complicated credit card setup. If you guys have any questions or recommendations, I always love hearing that in the comment section below. It really goes a long way in helping me get some feedback so I can give back to you guys. If you guys did like today's video and would like to see some more of this type of format, let me know down below. But also, if you guys could hit that like, comment, and subscribe buttons, I really would appreciate it. It helps grow the channel. And if you're interested in what I think are the best credit cards of 2024 for you guys to add to your lineup, be sure to check that video out right here and link down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.